should have my seatbelt on for these adventures.
Have a right standing with God and then moving forward. The devil is a guerrilla warrior. He is seeking to drag us back. He is doing everything he can. Even when we come to Christ and surrender ourselves to him, there is a battle which takes place. Justification is something that takes place instantly for every one of us when we come to Christ and when we say, Lord, forgive me. We are in the court of heaven declared righteous. We are declared just in that instant because of Christ's righteousness being imputed to us. It is placed upon us even as our sin is placed upon Christ. Then we go forward, and what is not instantaneous is sanctification. We grow